If you're struggling with the Loomis method, or you want to draw more lifelike portraits, these 5 steps can guide you to master portrait drawing. Step 4 and 5 are probably the most important for drawing really lifelike portraits. But watch the first steps as well, because without them you won't have the foundation for the last 2. After drawing the circle, which represents the skull without the lower jaw, you have to determine the position of the ellipse, which indicates the flat side of the head. You can watch in my previous videos, especially in the Loomis help video, how you can determine the position of the ellipse. Links in the description and in the pinned comment as well. The first important step is to draw the center line of the face. Observe the angle and the tilt of the head in the reference photo. This will determine the center line of the face. The second step is to observe whether the face is an average face or not. Can you divide the face into 3 equal parts or not? This leads you to the third step, to observe the foreshortening if the head is at an extreme angle. You see her head from a somewhat bottom view. You see a little part under her chin, so it looks bigger, it looks longer. She has an average face. You can see that in other photos. Her face can be divided into 3 equal parts if her head is not at an extreme angle. Step 4 is also very important. Note that the head is spherical, so you are not starting from a circle, but from an imaginary sphere when drawing. You need to make sure that the hairline, the eyebrow line, the nose line and the mouth line are not only parallel to each other, but they are also curved. Step 5 is to observe the head, the face as a whole. If something looks wrong about it, observe the details again. Are the shapes and lines drawn correctly? I'll give you a bonus tip. Turn the reference photo and your drawing upside down. This way, using right brain observation, you can notice differences and lines that need correction. I'll show you 2 methods how you can determine the position of the ellipse and the other lines in this video.